Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip, I want to introduce a new way for making the copy and paste the parameters between two different components easily. Imagine we have a script test 1 which contains its own variables and it has a different functionality, and component script test 2 which has its own variables. But between these two different components scripts there are one or two or maybe three shared fields or maybe similar variables. We want to copy those numbers from component 1 to component 2. Uh, there is no default way to do it in editor, so we are gonna use this method. Let's take a look at it together. First, uh, it is in my page Abu Fastanha copy shared fields. I will share the link of this package into the description of this video. You just need to come over here and download the zip, and after that import these two C# scripts into your project. After that, your Unity will be able to copy and paste the shared field between two different components. So let's take a look at the components here. For example, we have test script 1, which contains score number, level number, an array of usernames, an array of objects, which has its own functionality. And we have test 2, which contains a score number. It is this shared field I mentioned in the between test 1 and 2, upgrade number, which is different, usernames, and this array will be the same with test 1 as you can see, and enemy objects, which is different, and it has its own functionality. And we would like to copy and paste in the inspector the value of score number and usernames from test script 1 to test script 2. It's gonna be really easy. Here I've added one empty object which contains test script 1. Score number is 9, level number is 3, and I've added these three names in the username: John, Rose, Honey, and object is 0. And right now, let me remove this component and add test script again. As you can see, score number is 0, upgrade number is 0, username and enemy objects are 0 as well. So I come over here. After I've added these two scripts into my project, I will be able to come over here, right click, and as you can see, we have two new options at here: copy shared fields. If I click on this guy, as you can see, copied fields from test script 1 is done. I can come over here, test object 2, and if I right click on it, I will see paste share fields appears. If I click on it, look at this, just score number has been copied and array names have been added to this list as well. Look at this, they are two different components, two different classes, and here we just shared the fields which they are similar between two different components. And here, for example, in test 1, or maybe in test 2, I changed the number to 20 and I want to add Jack to this list and change the Rose to Mary. Okay, and now right click, copy shared fields. Okay, click on object 1 and paste. Look at this, score number is 20 and we have these 4 new names here. And even if I click on Mary and remove it, and Jack, remove it and make it 0, I change the other parameters. For example, I want to add this object and this object, and now click on copy shared fields, and here, look at this, they are fine, they are good. Excellent. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.